It took me longer than I expected to do this second video to update my condition. Many of our followers and members asked about the rare disease I was diagnosed with. So here I am, talking more about dermatomyositis and its possible cause. Dermatomyositis is a medical condition that's a bit complex. Officially, it's classified as an autoimmune disease. That means the body's immune system, which usually fights off germs and keeps us healthy, starts to attack our own body's tissues mistakenly. In dermatomyositis, this attack is primarily on the big muscle group, leading to severe muscle weakness. The dermato part refers to skin, because the disease often causes skin rashes, like what you can see on my face and what you can't see on my body. So think of it like this. In dermatomyositis, the body's defense system gets confused and starts to fighting its muscles and skin, making them weak and causing rashes. It all began with a slight, seemingly insignificant rash on my back, but this rash spread across my upper body, indicating something more serious. The first doctor I checked with misdiagnosed it as a yeast infection. Then my fingers started feeling stiff, especially at the joints. The stiffness was the beginning of more challenges. In just a week or two, my main muscles began to weaken. Simple actions became increasingly difficult, such as standing up from a chair or getting out of the bed. Day by day, these tasks required more effort until I needed help to get up. My arms became weaker, and I couldn't even raise my arm above my shoulder. I was struggling in the shower, trying to wash my head. And recently, I noticed I couldn't keep my head up like usual. I feel my head gets heavier. But no, it's not my head, it's my neck muscles get weaker. You can imagine the difficulty when I try to keep my head up during this video. Some of you may wonder, why a Qigong master can still get such a disease? Isn't Qigong good enough to prevent that? That's a good question. You see, Qigong is a marvelous practice of working on different levels, physical, mental, and spiritual. It can improve the quality of life by strengthening the immune system, balancing our internal environments for optimal health, and harmonizing with nature and the universe. During the 30-plus years of Qigong practicing and teaching, I rarely got ill. Even if I did, I would recover much more quickly than the majority. However, Qigong won't prevent everything from happening, especially something from a genetic factor. The cause of dermatomyositis is still unknown, and in most cases are due to unknown genetic reasons. In such a condition, a robust immune system like I have is working against me. The conventional Western medical treatment for dermatomyositis aims to quiet down my immune system. Look, nothing or no one can prevent things from happening. Life is full of adventures and excitement, and sometimes they happen as surprises and accidents. The point of our life is to face all kinds of challenges and recover from any situation quickly. For most people, when the disease takes them, because they only know one option, which is Western medical treatment, what they can do is to trust someone they don't know. They hope the treatment they were given can help them recover sooner. But in many cases, the medical treatment fails them because it is designed for the disease, but not for the individual. That is a very stressful and desperate situation when you think Western treatment is the only option, but it can't help you. Qigong approaches life in a very unique way. It is innovative, it is personal, and it will work for you if you work with it. I have personally witnessed and experienced countless miracles that happened to people who were claimed incurable by the Western medical system and doctors. Yet they recovered completely after practicing Qigong and applying the ancient Qi and Qigong wisdom to their daily life. My mission is to show you the Qigong way to live a healthier and happier life. Tell you what, I had thought a few times in the past that maybe I should get some disease and then I could show people how I recover through Qigong practice. Talking about making a wish, being careful of what we wish for. Now, I am in a situation where I can personally show you how to implement Qigong into your life and recover with a holistic approach. This is a rare opportunity for anyone who is experiencing any disease, pain, and struggles. Now back to dermatomyositis. I will share the medical treatment I am receiving, the side effects I'm experiencing, and the challenges I'm facing in my next video. Before I wrap up, please share my video with anyone you know who is struggling with difficult health situation. My messages may bring hope to them and their family. In addition, if you have struggled with any health issues and couldn't find a solution to deal with them, I invite you to join me on my and potentially your healing journey through my 30-day rejuvenation journey program. 混元灵通，好了。